Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi connected but no internet access fix in Windows. First method is, click Start Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Click Yes to continue. Second method is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Connected Wi-Fi Adapter or Network Adapter. Click Diagonus. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.